In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover deleted draft video on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up TikTok app and then tap right here to go to our TikTok profile page. Normally, guys, right here at the very first position, if we have any drafts on our TikTok account, we'll be able to tap right here and it will show us all our drafts, and from here we can tap at any draft that will open it up. Then we'll be able to edit that video, and after that we'll be able to post it on our TikTok account. However, guys, from here also we can delete any draft. We can just long press on it. That will select one particular draft. However, we can then select several drafts, and by hitting right here we can delete all the drafts we've selected by tapping at delete. Now, guys, the first thing you may try to find deleted draft is to look for the draft in Photos gallery. Just head over to Photos app, go to Recents, and there maybe the original file is still there. Or you maybe saved the draft to gallery because TikTok has that option. So just go through your content. The easiest way to do so is head over to Albums, scroll down a bit, and then tap at Videos. As you can see, I got here just 129 videos. And that's how we can easily check all of them. But if you cannot find your draft video here, then I'm gonna show you another way how you can easily find drafts that you have recently deleted. First off, guys, from your TikTok profile, tap right here at these three lines. Then go to Settings and Privacy. At the very top, tap at Account. And that's where you can easily find Download Your Data. It allows you to get a copy of your TikTok data. First off, we need to get into it. And that's where we can request a copy of our data from TikTok by tapping right here at that button. Now it says your data request is processed, and once it is ready, we'll be able to download it from here. When your file is ready for download, it will be available here for 4 days. Just keep in mind that if you submit another request, your existing file will expire. And basically, guys, that's how you can easily recover deleted draft video on TikTok. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.